Hello and welcome to ovesen.net, the Christmas special. 2020 is going to an end, and it has been a special year for everyone, including me. I have been working from home since March, and I haven't really been doing much else than being at home. But I found time to make a lot of videos lately, and it has been a great fun. I just want to say thank you to everyone. I just passed 2,000 subscribers now, and that is amazing, I think. And I also got a lot of positive feedback in comments and in email and things like that, and that's been great fun. Hopefully 2021 will be better with regards to the virus and everything, and hopefully I will find time also in 2021 to make videos. In this video I will show you some Christmas demos and games for the Commodore 64, and I have set up my one of my Commodore 64s with a 1541 floppy drive, and yeah, I'm in a real Christmas spirit, as you can see. I will run some demos and games on this original Commodore 64, and then I will switch over to an emulator just to get the better audio and video quality. So I hope to see you in 2021, and with that I'll just say hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll be back. Thanks. So what I got running here now is the Commodore 64 Christmas demo. And this is a demo that was made by Commodore during the Christmas sale of the Commodore 64 when it was released. I think I actually remember this from my own hometown. I remember that they had this running in the window of some electronics shop. And that was before I actually had the Commodore 64, so I watched that demo several times, and of course I wanted a Commodore 64 so bad. So let's watch a few clips of this demo. So here's another Christmas demo, and this is a little bit more impressive than the previous from Commodore. Over to the next demo, and it is something called Sonic Dreams Christmas Demo. Next one is Christmas is Awesome. So this has kind of nice graphics, yeah, character based, and then some scrolling text below. So we can change the SID tune by pressing the F keys. The next. So it's amazing what kind of graphics you actually can make with those Petsky characters. Next tune. This one is called Merry Christmas. Computer Scene wishes everyone a very Merry Christmas. So I have actually loaded everything onto my Kung Fu Flash cartridge, and that's an excellent cartridge for running games and cartridge images, and these are floppy disk images, the ones you have seen until now. You just select from the menu of all the files you have added to your SD card, and yeah, you can just run anything. So check it out in the description, I will put a link there. So let's try this Santa's Christmas game. Cool intro. Santa's Christmas Caper. I have actually never played it before, I just tested it briefly. So do I want unlimited lives? Yes, of course. I'm Santa Claus. Oops. was quite difficult, in fact. Here's another demo. It's called Christmas Special 1987, and yeah, presented by Steve Emsley. This is like the Commodore Christmas demo. It's made up of ASCII characters and little animations and some nice Christmas music. This was a really cool synth tune. It actually sounds like a real steel guitar. Nice. So this is Twisted Christmas of '89. It's from the same people, I guess. So I don't have an extra seed chip, so select one. Cool. Alright, so this is Santa's toy shop within the Commodore 64. So this is Santa's Boulder Dash party. And this is made in December 2004, so it's pretty new. And yeah, I guess it's some cracked version of Boulder Dash. So this actually looks more like a VIC-20 game than a Commodore 64. Okay, so now we're in the real C64 game, and the Boulder Dash man is replaced by a Santa. So can we take these? Nope. So I figure I have to take all the bells. Alright, that's it for this video. There's a lot of Christmas spirit in the Commodore 64, obviously, and yeah, it was and is still a great machine, I think. Alright, so I hope you all get to have a fantastic Christmas and a nice New Year, and we all hope 2021 will be better than 2020. Thanks and bye bye.